In this lesson, we're going to solve a rational equation for a variable. In order to solve this equation, the method we're going to use is we're going to rewrite each term so that there is a common denominator. For these denominators, the least common denominator will be a, b, c. So the first fraction, that denominator is missing the b and the c. So multiply the top and bottom of the fraction by bc. The next term, 1 over b, is missing the a and the c. And the last term, 1 over c, is missing the a, b. So now that each term has been rewritten with a common denominator, you can ignore the denominators and just look at the top, the numerator. So we have BC equals AC plus AB. Now we're going to solve for B, and we have B terms on both sides of the equation. So we're going to have to move the AB over to the other side of the equation, and we'll have BC minus AB equals AC. Now both of these terms on the left have AB, so factor the B out, and you'll have B times C minus A equals AC. Now, since the C minus A is multiplying the B, we have to undo that by dividing by C minus A. They will then cancel to 1, and B will equal AC over C minus A. All right, the next example, we're going to solve this equation for x. Now, a is not a fraction, but there is that term. It is a term on the left side of the equal sign, and you can rewrite that as a over 1. Now, what is the least common denominator here? Well, it's x plus y. So this denominator 1 is missing the x plus y. So multiply by x plus y on top and on the bottom. Now again, since all the denominators are the same, we can ignore them. And you're left with a times x plus y equals 2. Distribute the ax plus ay equals 2. Now we're trying to get x all by itself, so we'll have to subtract the ay from both sides of the equation. We'll have ax equals 2 minus ay. And then finally, we're going to have to divide by a. Our answer will be x equals 2 minus ay over a. This is an acceptable way to write this answer. However, we can write it in another form because the x equals 2 is being divided by a, and then the ay is also being divided by a. And here the a's would cancel, so x will equal 2 over a minus y.